In today's rapidly advancing world, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we live, work, and interact. But as AI progresses, it raises important ethical questions. Are we developing these systems responsibly? And how do we ensure they benefit everyone without causing harm? AI is everywhere, from virtual assistants and autonomous vehicles to algorithms that predict our shopping preferences. But as these technologies evolve, ethical dilemmas emerge. What happens when AI makes decisions that impact our lives? How do we address issues like bias, privacy, and accountability? While AI holds the promise of transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and education, its unchecked development can also pose risks. One major concern is algorithmic bias. AI systems learn from vast amounts of data, but if that data reflects societal biases, the AI can perpetuate and even amplify those biases. For example, AI used in hiring processes has in some cases been shown to favor certain demographics over others. So, how do we ensure that AI treats everyone fairly? To address these concerns, developers and organizations must prioritize ethical AI development. This includes 1. Transparency, making sure that AI algorithms are understandable and their decision-making process is clear. 2. Fairness, ensuring that AI systems do not unfairly discriminate based on gender, race, or other characteristics. 3. Accountability, making sure that there's a clear line of responsibility when an AI system fails or causes harm. Another pressing issue is privacy. AI systems rely heavily on data to function, but this data often includes personal information, raising questions about how it's collected, stored, and used. How can we ensure that AI respects users' privacy while still delivering accurate and useful results? Data breaches, misuse of personal data, and invasive surveillance are real threats in the age of AI. To address these, we need stronger regulations and responsible data management practices. Finally, there's the question of regulation. Who governs AI? Currently, there are few global standards for AI development, leaving it up to individual companies and governments. But as AI becomes more ingrained in our lives, there's a growing call for regulations that ensure safety, fairness, and accountability on a broader scale. When developed ethically, AI has the potential to be a force for good, helping to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges, from climate change to disease. But it's crucial that we strike the right balance between innovation and responsibility. The future of AI is being shaped right now. The choices we make today will determine whether it benefits everyone or just a few, whether it builds a better society or perpetuates the problems we already face. As we move forward, one thing is clear: the ethical considerations in AI development aren't just technical problems, they're human ones. It's up to all of us, from developers and policymakers to everyday users, to shape the future of AI responsibly. The question is, how will we choose to shape it? Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's continue the conversation about ethical AI development.